Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy donuts full guide. Preheat oil to 350 degrees F and prepare your dough while it rests. I'll walk you through mixing, proofing, shaping, frying, and glazing with clear timing cues. Expect tips for texture, flavor swaps, and quick fixes if dough is too sticky or dense. Stay relaxed, follow the steps, and you'll enjoy warm donuts with great flavor and crisp edges. Mix flour, sugar, salt, yeast, milk, butter, and eggs in a warm bowl and knead until smooth and elastic, about 10 minutes by hand or 6 with a mixer. Rest the dough until doubled, which develops flavor and gives the donut structure. I'll explain how to judge readiness, adjust hydration, and handle cooler kitchens so your dough proofs correctly without overproofing or collapsing during frying. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum cleans up crumbs after donut sessions, has voice control, and makes kitchen cleanup effortless and even a little fun. It's a small life upgrade that keeps counters tidy while you focus on baking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil to the target temperature and fry a test piece to confirm heat stability before committing whole batches. Fry donuts until golden brown, flipping once, and transfer to a rack to drain so they stay crisp and light. While they cool slightly, whisk a simple glaze from powdered sugar and milk, or melt chocolate for a richer finish. I'll share timing tips and flavor variations to customize your toppings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.